This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and the lock I have for you today is a Mul-T-Lock T-Series padlock model TB-45. This lock has a 45mm brass body, a ball-bearing locking mechanism holding in an 8mm molybdenum alloy shackle, and the core is a variant of the Mul-T-Lock Classic, but this has 4 pin-in-pin chambers, so 8 pins total. We're going to see what it takes to pick into this lock, and then of course I'll take it apart and show you what's inside. We have the Mul-T-Lock 06 keyway, which is probably the most common for the Mul-T-Lock Classic. And let's go hunting for some binding outer pins. Okay, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3. Okay, 4 is definitely binding. Click out of him. Pulling out, we're stuck on 3, so let's pick him. Click out of him. On 2, I think we got to click on 2. There we go, there's 2. And got to click out of 1 as well. Now we got a tiny bit of movement on the core, so let's go checking for inner pins now. 1 is binding. And we got a lot of movement on the core, which means we probably just have inner driver pins left. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, and 4 opened it up. Okay, let's take this lock apart and see what's inside. Let's get our tray over here. And the lock should come apart with a Phillips screw down the shackle hole. Okay, let's get our clip remover. And now we just need a key and the follower to get this apart. Okay, first thing, let's dump these key pins out. Standards in 1, same in 2, 3, and a spooled outer key pin in number 4. Let's arrange all of these pins. Okay, let's get the driver pins out now. I did not feel any security pins, but we will see for certain now. 1 is standard. 2 is standard. Same for 3. And same on 4. Okay, that would explain why we didn't have a whole lot of trouble with the inner pins. It looks like the inner pin, or at least the inner driver pin mechanism, is not quite as robust as what you would find in a full-size Mul-T-Lock core. Okay, let me give you a close-up of all of this. As you can see, all of our key pins, inner and outer, are standard with the exception of the outer pin on number 4, which has a spooled top. Then on the driver pins, we have this shortened variant of the Mul-T-Lock Classic driver pin, and all standard pins, both inner and outer. Okay, moving over to the core, you can see that it's only a 4-pin core and nothing particularly unusual about it. No drill protection at all on this core, so the biggest drill protection is that hardened steel retainer plate. In any case, that's all I have for you on this Mul-T-Lock model TB-45 padlock. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.